Good afternoon, guys. I want to thank you for clicking on that button and watching my video. So today I'm out in the woods doing a little trek round about a woodland that I've not really been to much, but it's pretty good. I think I'll come back. So I'm going to cook Aberdeen Angus steak, so stay tuned, guys. Thanks again. While I wait for that to burn down to embers, I'm going to have a little relax on the hammock. we go guys, the view from the hammock. This is just a little cheap hammock that I've had for maybe about a year. I wouldn't really camp, sleep in this one, but I just use this one for coming out like here and sticking it up. Little chill camp type things. I could go for a little sleep while the fire's taking off. So there we go, I've separated my fire. I'll keep these burning, it'll get me some more embers, and I'll use the embers down here to cook my Aberdeen Angus. There's the Aberdeen Angus that I got. Scottish sirloin steak, Aberdeen Angus. I got it from Aldi's. It was about £4.70. You could buy a normal sirloin steak for about £3.30, but you can't beat an Aberdeen Angus. It's well worth the extra money. Got the tea on, guys. I'm going to have a cup of tea. I'm going to enjoy my Aberdeen Angus. I think that should be it nearly ready. Just give it a turn and that'll be me. Yum. Get my tea, guys. There we go. I'm having English breakfast tea. I'm having Aberdeen Angus, mushrooms, red onions. Oh yeah, the tea's ready. Just the way I like it. Stick that back on the fire. Keep it warm for later. But yeah, what could be better? Being in the woods, big steak and a cup of tea. Peace. Look, you could just go to sleep here, couldn't you? So peaceful. Here we go. Try the Aberdeen Angus from Aldi's. Never had it, it's the first time. I like mine's well done. I'm sure some people like it rare and all that kind of thing. Mine's medium. That is delicious. Some mushrooms. Lovely jubbly. Do you like a bit? It's mine's, all mine's. Delicious. Delicious. There we go, I cleaned it off, it was lovely. My verdict for the Aberdeen Angus is 10 out of 10. Lovely jubbly. And cleaned the coffee off, the tea off as well. I'm just going to put the fire out. The last time I put the fire out, it was smoking and I put the leaves on, and I got a few comments, people saying that was the fire definitely out? Yes, it was definitely out, honestly. See the one over there? I put water on it. But yeah, it does smoke for a little bit. But yeah, I'll do it to these ones and I'll show you. You need to remember, this isn't a dry continent that I live on. I live in Scotland and the ground is very wet, so it's really not going to catch fire. It's not like I live in Texas or somewhere where it's a really dry place. But yeah, I'll put the water on the fire and I'll show you it going out. So there we go, that's what it done the last time. It'll smoulder for so long and then it will go out. Honestly, the fire is out, guys. So there we go, it's definitely out, the fire. But yeah, I'm going to leave this, I'm going to make this one of my permanent places to come. And this woodland. It's a mixture between birch. There's a few oak trees in here as well. There's an oak tree. Some hazel, the usual. But yeah, I'm going to bring some rocks the next time and put them round about. It's a great little bit of this. That's where I had my hammock up. So yeah, there we go. My bag's packed. Put my camo jacket back on. So, cheers for watching, guys, and give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. If you didn't, then I'm sure the usual people will give me their dislikes. Cheers, guys. But even the ones that are giving me dislikes, thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.